Wanna fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how breath is. Tone up in your mouth, you ain't speaking good.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Aaliyah. In today's video, you are going to clean with me. Yes, come along as I declutter and deep clean my room. I'm going to be organizing my makeup table, dresser, and so much more. If you need a little bit of motivation or you like satisfying cleaning videos, make sure to stay until the very end. Changing my bed sheets is a quick and simple way to freshen up the space. I started by removing the old sheets along with anything that didn't belong on my bed and put on these bright white sheets instead. A little hack to really open up my room and make my space look so much brighter. Next, I'm going to use this Febreze antibacterial fabric refresher. This is amazing if you have pets like I do. They not only make your sheets and room smell amazing and clean by neutralizing odor, but it also contains ingredients to kill bacteria. Welcome to my makeup table. I am tackling this space to make it more organized and functional. So first I'm clearing everything that's on top of my table so I can start with a fresh surface. So I'm using my Dyson to vacuum any dust or powder from my makeup. Going in with a disinfecting wipe. To clean the surface. Once everything is wiped down and nice and clean, I go back in and start reorganizing my products. This is the next stage of my makeup table. I have this section in the middle where I store all my extra products that I don't use every day. So I started off by tossing out any expired products, old products, or things that I simply do not use anymore. And following a similar process as above, taking things out, vacuuming, and wiping everything down with a disinfecting wipe. This is everything that I found that needed to be put away properly. I have been looking for some of these items for a long time. Like the lens cap to my camera was just chilling in my makeup table and I literally ordered a new one on Amazon. I have a habit of getting ready and then leaving everything that I used out instead of putting them away. So my dresser had a lot of products that I needed to reorganize and put in the right place. Once my dresser was clear, I was able to vacuum the tablecloth so that it was nice and clean. I have this organizer that I use for all my skincare on the other side of my dresser that I ordered from Sephora a few months ago, maybe last year. It's broken now. It comes with a nice lid so that your products stay clean and dust free. So let's just get started. First, I'm going to remove each product out until my organizer is empty so I can go in with the Dyson to vacuum any dust. This was probably the most tedious part of this cleaning process because I decided to take all of my skincare products out and go through each one by one to not only clean and wipe down each of them, but to also throw out any products that I wasn't using, expired, or were empty. I also wanted the opportunity to clean the organizer out itself. And wipe it down with a paper towel, but also a disinfecting wipe like the one I used earlier. Before putting my items back in, like I said, I decided to go over them with a wipe as well to make sure they were nice and clean. That way your hands stay nice and clean while you're doing your skincare routine as well. I only put the products that I was using back in, so I'm kind of simplifying my routine, if you will. I'm trying to use less actives and acids. So a lot of things ended up going into storage or just got thrown out. I have this bag where I keep all my extra products so that I could free up some space in my skincare organizer. Now I am cleaning my mirrors with Windex, or you can use any window cleaner. I don't know what I was doing wrong, but the more I tried to clean this mirror, the more dirty it was getting. I have this microfiber cloth that you can use on basically anything. I'm using it to get rid of any streaks that were left behind from the paper towel. So I went around my room and did this process on all the mirrors, the one on my dresser, the one on my makeup table, and I also have a full body mirror, which I didn't show in this video. We have now transitioned to my floor. Now that I have cleaned all my tabletops and wiped down my dresser and things like that, I can finally do a good sweep. Keep in mind, I have a pet dog, so I sweep almost daily because he sheds a lot. So there's constantly hair and fur on the floor. It's important that I really stay on top of keeping my floors clean. So I like to do a good sweep and then follow up with a vacuum to pick up any excess pet hair that the broom might have missed. I decided to buy myself some flowers. It was beautiful to wake up to, honestly, and it just tied my dresser and room all together. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.